Welcome to Geometric Galaxy. Hello students, in this video we will study linear equation in two variables exercise 4.1 question number 1 and question number 2. Question 1. The cost of a notebook is twice the cost of a pen. Write a linear equation in two variables to represent this statement. Here they have also given a hint. Take the cost of a notebook to be rupees X and that of a pen to be rupees Y. So it is very easy for us to frame the equation. So as per the hint, let the cost of a notebook be rupees X and that of a pen be rupees Y. In the question it has given the cost of a notebook is twice the cost of a pen. Then X is equal to 2Y. Now we can transpose 2Y to the left hand side as X minus 2Y is equal to 0. This is the required linear equation in two variable. Now let us see question number 2. Express the following linear equation in the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 and indicate the values of a, b and c in each case. Here we have 8 subdivisions. Let us see one by one. Our first subdivision is 2x plus 3y is equal to 9.35 bar. Now we can rewrite this equation in the general form as 2x plus 3y minus 9.35 bar is equal to 0. Here we have transposed the constant term from the right hand side to the left hand side. Now the coefficient of x is a and the coefficient of y is b and the constant term is c. So in this equation a takes the value 2, b takes the value 3 and the constant c takes the value minus 9.35 bar. Second subdivision is x minus y by 5 minus 10 is equal to 0. Here the given equation is already in general form, so we need not change anything. So a takes the value 1 and b takes the value minus 1 by 5 and c takes the value minus 10. Our third subdivision is minus 2x plus 3y is equal to 6. If we write it in general form, it will become minus 2x plus 3y minus 6 is equal to 0. The constant term is transposed to the left hand side. So a takes the value minus 2, b takes the value 3 and c takes the value minus 6. Now comes the fourth subdivision, x is equal to 3y. In this problem we have only x term and y term. There is no constant term. So we have to take the constant as 0. So the general form of x is equal to 3y is x minus 3y plus 0 is equal to 0. So a takes the value 1, b takes the value minus 3 and c takes the value 0. Fifth subdivision is 2x is equal to minus 5y. Here also we don't have a constant term. Therefore the constant becomes 0. Now the general form of 2x is equal to minus 5y is 2x plus 5y plus 0 is equal to 0. So a takes the value 2, b is equal to 5 and c is equal to 0. Sixth subdivision is 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. Here we have only one variable x. We don't have the y variable. So while writing in the general form, we will include it as 0y. Therefore the general form of 3x plus 2 is equal to 0 is 3x plus 0y plus 2 is equal to 0. A takes the value 3, b takes the value 0 and c takes the value 2. Seventh subdivision is y minus 2 is equal to 0. Here we have only y term. We don't have any x term. So we need to include x term as 0x. Now the general form of y minus 2 is equal to 0 is 0x plus 1y minus 2 is equal to 0. So a takes the value 0, b takes the value 1 and c takes the value minus 2. Eighth subdivision is 5 is equal to 2x. Here we don't have y term and the constant term is equated to 2x. We can do it in two methods. Either we can transpose 5 to the right hand side or we can transpose 2x to the left hand side. First we will transpose 2x to the left hand side. So if we transpose 2x to the left hand side, it becomes minus 2x plus 0y plus 5 is equal to 0. So a takes the value minus 2, b takes the value 0 and c takes the value 5. Now we can see by transposing 5 to the right hand side. So our equation becomes 2x plus 0y minus 5 is equal to 0. So A takes the value 2, B takes the value 0 and C takes the value minus 5. Both the methods are correct. You can follow any method. That's all in this video, students. In the next video, we will see exercise 4.2. Thank you, students. If you find Geometrix Galaxy helpful, consider subscribing to my channel. And please don't hesitate to recommend this channel to your friends. Thanks for watching.